I don't know about you, but I don't know anyone who doesn't love potatoes, in at least one form or another. Maybe that's because they're one of the most versatile veggies in the market. After all, we can boil them, smash them, mash them, brown them, bake them. The list goes on and on. So today, I thought it'd be fun to combine two of my favorites, baked potatoes and mashed. Here's all we do. After baking half a dozen russet potatoes, just until they're tender, we let them cool. Once they are, we cut about ½ an inch or so off the top and scoop out most of the potato, leaving a ¼ inch shell. Now, to this, we add some sour cream, butter, onion powder, some salt and pepper, and then we'll beat that together. Once it's smooth, we'll spoon the filling back into the skins. A little paprika on top, and into the oven they go until they're piping hot. That's the basic version, but feel free to mix in or top these with some shredded cheese, crumbled bacon, fresh herbs, really whatever you'd like. And when you serve these, everyone will think that it's some special occasion because they look and taste that good. If you want the recipe for our double stuffed potatoes, it's online now, so you'll be ready with a company fancy side dish that is everyday easy. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where we found a doubly good way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.